Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. We're now on to lot number 46, which is the second of the two C50 Firestation bikes. This one again is slightly lower mileage, in the same kind of condition, maybe slightly better in some instances, but again same age, same lower mileage just about, and then same price at €1950. On to the right hand side of the bike now. Sorry. Front tire again. I'm not sure if it's the original tire. Probably needs changing, but if not, that should be okay. Some slight rusting on the spokes itself. You can see little chips on the front mudguard here. Front forks are looking okay. Some slight marks as well. Front headlight assembly looks good. This one has slight bit more rusting on the front chrome here where the headlamp is. Plastics look very good on this side. Less rusting than the other one on the exhaust. Here, center console or the right hand side side panel is looking good. Some little marks along the center and to the rear of the bike here, but again nothing too major. Some slight signs of corrosion on the rear shocks and rusting on the rear carriers here. Large tear in the top of the seat, but paintwork looking good other than that. Onto the left hand side now, start at the front. Again you can see the marks in the front mudguard here. This front spokes the same as the other side. This side the swing or the front forks look in very good condition. Front headlamp area looks good here. Also the plastics are in good condition, maybe slight crack in around the bolting area. Engine cover and mount look pretty good. Rear chain guard also look in good condition. No cracks on the side panel and tearing on the seat again. Some rusting on the rear carrier, like I said, and the rear of the bike. No corrosion on the rear suspension arm here. Some slight signs of corrosion on the indicator lights, but nothing that a clean wouldn't do. It wouldn't benefit from. Again, these are the two C50 Firestation bikes that we have. Most likely won't be getting another one again, as they are very rare and desirable over there in Japan. And so if you are looking at one of these, here is your time to get one. So finally we're going to be taking €150 deposits on these to secure the bike for arrival in September. The bike is €1,950 again, 1979 with just over 3,000 miles on the clock. If you have liked the video, please like, comment down below what you think of the bike, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.